The humans sit on the floor. I sit on the couch.
Mom, can you come upstairs? A cat came in the house. I'm under the bed. Ma, no. Here it comes, Ma. Ma, I'm sorry.
I'm told all the time that my job must be so fun because I get to play with dogs all the time, but this dude has been screaming the entire bag.
Yes. Shut up. Get off my car.
What do I do for a living? I'm a professional attention seeker, obviously.
Just unscrew the little... Oh my god. A cat, please, just stop, please. Unscrew.
Just adopted this cat today.
Oh my god!
It's after 11. You want to get up? Yeah?
Did you do this?
That's a little...
Salty.
Who are you?
Dobby, sir. Dobby the house elf.
Get down, Dolce.
Mom,
That's how she got out. Oh.
I'm thirsty. Refreshing.